Welcome to ReviewZen. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best solar Campign light based on quality, smart features, durability, price, and real user reviews. Check the description below for more details. And don't forget to subscribe to ReviewZen for more awesome tech reviews. Now, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XMSJ Portable Spotlight. The XMSJ Solar Camping Light is a powerful 20W portable spotlight that delivers 1,500 lumens of brightness across a wide $180 circ dollar beam angle. Equipped with 40 LEDs, a sleek black and white patented design, and a strong integrated magnet for hands-free placement, it is the ultimate outdoor companion. It features a high-capacity 4800 mAh battery that provides long-lasting light and doubles as an emergency power bank. With dual USB and solar charging options, this CE-certified manual switch lantern offers reliable, eco-friendly performance for camping, fishing, and emergencies. Number 2. LONKINDE Emergency Lights. The LONKINDE Solar Camping Light is that ultra-bright, heavy-duty portable spotlight designed for camping, maintenance, and home power outages. Offering a massive power output ranging from 500 W up to a robust 2000 W, it pumps out up to 15,000 lumens of brightness across a complete 360 degrees beam angle. The light is powered by a high-capacity 8000 mAh rechargeable battery that delivers 6 to 8 hours of continuous, strong illumination and recharges easily via USB or integrated solar power. Encased in a fully sealed IP66 rated waterproof body, it features an intelligent 5-speed dimming system that transitions between 5 versatile color settings: white, warm, natural, soft, and a flashing emergency warning light. For ultimate hands-free convenience, this CE and RoHS certified lantern includes built-in powerful magnetic absorption and a hidden hook, making it an incredibly durable and reliable off-grid companion. Number 3. FREEPOWER Solar Security Lights. The FREEPOWER Solar Security Light is a wireless outdoor floodlight equipped with 90 high-brightness SMD 2835 LEDs and an intelligent PIR motion sensor that detects movement up to 30 feet away. Made from durable ABS with an IP65 waterproof and heatproof rating, this rugged light features 4 versatile sensor and continuous lighting modes. Powered by an efficient crystalline silicon solar panel and a 2600 mAh battery, it fully charges in 5 to 6 hours to provide 4 to 5 nights of reliable operation. Its wire-free, self-contained design ensures quick, screw-mount installation on any exterior wall, making it ideal for garages, pathways, and patios. Number 4. PAMNNY Portable Lanterns. The PAMNNY Solar Camping Lantern is a versatile, deformable outdoor lighting solution crafted from durable ABS material, ideal for hiking, fishing, and emergency use. It features an adjustable design that allows you to change the lighting shape and orientation, delivering up to 500 lumens of soft, glare-free, 360 degrees white light. Operating across 6 distinct gears, including strong and weak settings for both side and main lights, a full bright mode, and a full flash mode, this lantern adapts to any situation. It is powered by a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, 2,400 over 3,600 mAh capacity, that provides up to 10 hours of illumination, and it features dual USB and eco-friendly solar charging options, alongside an easy-to-read power display. Complete with an IPX4 daily waterproof rating and an integrated power bank function to charge your mobile devices, this compact lantern comes ready with a charging cable for all your off-grid adventures. Number 5. Large Area Floodlight Camping Lamp. The LY24 Solar Camping Lantern is a versatile, weather-resistant IPX4 outdoor light featuring a unique 4-blade folding design that opens up to 90 degrees for wide area illumination. It offers 6 distinct lighting modes, including a spotlight and warm ambient options, delivering up to 2,000 lumens of brightness. Powered by a built-in 2000 mAh battery, it charges via Type-C USB in under 3.5 hours or through its integrated solar panel, providing 5 to 10 hours of runtime. With a built-in hanging hook, an intelligent 4 LED battery indicator, and the ability to double as an emergency power bank, this compact and durable lantern is the ultimate companion for camping, emergencies, and off-grid adventures.